I've assessed a lot of people who've put forward proposals to try and get grant money from everything from 25k up to 2.5 million. And you see an awful lot of terrible stuff. You see an awful lot of extraordinarily well polished stuff that comes from people who've done this time and time again. And what really hurts is when you see something that you know has got legs. It's a fundamentally good idea. But the nature of these assessment programs, because they've got to sift this down as fast as possible, is that, if people don't answer the questions that are presented accurately and think about them, that they may get almost all the way there and then they'll trip themselves up with a lazy answer. And so it's not rocket science, but the actual groups like Innovate UK who put this together, they give a lot of tips and hints about what each question is about, what they're trying to understand. And yet still people clearly don't read that. And they make it more of a sales pitch rather than just answering questions. So that doesn't work.
Yeah.
And so much as you would like to sort of score some of these high, you end up knowing that they're going to fall below because they just probably didn't understand what was expected or required. And that's really, really sad.